Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to create Google Calendar daily or weekly agenda to your inbox with xFanatical Foresight. In today's fast-paced world, keeping track of your daily and weekly Google Calendar agenda can be a daunting task. With meetings, appointments, and various commitments, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. It offers a seamless Google Calendar automation solution, allowing users to receive daily or weekly agenda summaries directly in their inbox. With this automation, professionals can start their day fully prepared with an organized schedule, reducing the risk of missing crucial meetings and improving time management. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Get Daily or Weekly Calendar Agenda to your Inbox template and click on it. In the Get Daily or Weekly Calendar Agenda to your Inbox page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Get Daily or Weekly Calendar Agenda to your Inbox will display. In the Recurring Time screen, in the Start Time field, choose a future date and time to begin sending the agenda. Optional, in the Repeat Every, set it to 1 week to receive the calendar agenda weekly or leave it as is to receive the daily agenda. Click Email action from the rule graph. In the Email screen, in Subject, customize the subject of the Google Calendar daily or weekly agenda email. In the Email body, customize the email body of the agenda email. At the bottom of the page, click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of sending Google Calendar daily or weekly agenda directly to your inbox. Note: for demonstration purposes, please set the Start Time field in the Recurring Times triggered to 15 minutes from now. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. You will receive an email in your Gmail inbox with agenda information, which includes the time, the event name with event link, and the associated calendar. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.